Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I have lots of things on my table and I'm going to share each and everything what I have purchased recently from different stores like Craft Gully, Crafters Corner and Amazon. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing I bought from Amazon is this beautiful Brustro drawing book. This is 200 GSM in A5 size, and I always use this book as my base for my drawing channel. And from the same brand I have also purchased the set of two gouache colors in titanium white, because always we are short of white colors, so I ordered these bottles separately from the Brustro. These are best one. And the next thing, I got this A6 size watercolor drawing book to make small sizes of the paintings. You can also use this diary as a travel partner if you want to see or make any live painting or portraits. This is very best to that thing. And the next one is the set of 7 round tri grip brushes by Faber-Castell. I always use Faber-Castell brushes because these are having very nice and soft bristles, and according to me the grip is also nice, and they have huge variety in round and flat brushes both. So I have both the brushes in my stock. Then next thing, you can see the comb, which is actually for the dogs to make the dog hairs, but I am using this comb for my comb quilling work. I thought this comb is perfect for that purpose because it is having two sides of teeth, one in small size and other one is a larger one. So you can create your own different styles of petals using paper quilling strip, and you can also hold it nicely and create your work. So I thought this is the best thing to make the quilling petals, and I am coming with lots of idea using this brush. The next thing is this thin cut die by Little Birdie. This is the brand of Itsy Bitsy, but I have ordered this from the Amazon. This is having beautiful wreath along with some birds, flowers. So you can create lots of cards, tags, bookmarks and boxes using this die. Now next thing, I got this beautiful bunch of jewelry making essentials. Everything I got in one pack only. So this I also bought from Amazon, and quickly I am opening the packet. I just love to make quilling jewelry and paper jewelry. According to me, this is must for every jewelry crafter. So this is the lock which you can use to tie the knots in silver and gold color. Then this is the eye pin in silver and gold to pass the beads. Then these are some T-pins, again to pass beads in silver and golden color. They have nice variety and the quality is also nice. Then these are some lobster clasps to lock the chains in golden and silver color. This is the pack of I think 10 lobster clasps. Then the next thing is these quilling hooks in silver and golden color to create your quilling jhumkas or any kind of jewelry. Then these are the must thing, that is jump rings, which is very important to make keychains as well. So this is all about jewelry essentials. Then I also bought the bunch of Pom Pom laces in white color. These are very small in size. You can use this in many ways, like to create hangings, to decorate your cards, scrapbooks, to make the festive season projects. And the quality is also nice, and this is very affordable as well. In one pack you get 2 bunches and you can create lots of projects using this. You can also decorate the embroidery hoop art borders using these Pom Pom laces. So this is all about Amazon shopping. Then next thing, I am opening the package from Craft Gully, from which also I have ordered lots of things. So one by one I am showing you everything in detail. So first thing is these glass mirrors in 8 mm. These are circular glass mirrors. Then next thing is these square glass mirrors and teardrop glass mirrors. I bought in 2 packs of same size to do the craft work. Then these are the mixture of white color sequences to make shaker tags or to decorate the cards. These are mixture of colored sequences, and this is the purple sequence. I just love the color very much. And the last one is these heart shakers to make beautiful cards and to do the shaker work. The next thing I bought are these ball chains, because I always make 3D quilling models for every festival and to jewelry. And for the jewelry purpose, I always use ball chains or stone chains. So I bought these 3 ball chains in golden color, 1 in red color. Then next is blue color, and the last one is in green color. These all are 1 mm ball chains, perfect for your crafts. Then the next thing I bought are these glass beads in green color, then blue color. The colors are very vibrant and pretty. The next one is magenta. Then next color is yellow. You can create hangings or jewelry. Then these are some pearl L'Oreals in white color. These are pearl chains. Then some 5 mm pearl beads. These are 8 mm pearl beads. Then some more big size pearl L'Oreals. These are I think 4 mm. Best to create jewelry and hangings. The next thing I bought are these half cut pearls to decorate the cards and boxes. These are 3 mm one, very small in size, but it looks very nice and very shabby. It gives nice creative touch to your work. Then these are some keychain bases in silver color, and this is the necklace cord to create any kind of necklace. You can pass the pendant through this and it is good to go. And this is the MDF base. This is called embroidery hoop base. So you can do embroidery, you can do decoupage work or painting work, anything on the base, and you can convert this into pendant or the keychain. The quality is very nice, and they have huge variety of MDF in their store. Now the next thing is these earring hooks in different style. This is in golden color and 52 mm is the height. So this is having something different pattern. I am going to try this very soon in my projects. Then next thing is this silver color hook, again in different shape. Then these are some more quilling hooks to create quilling jewelry in silver and golden. These are the normal ones. Then some more jump rings. I bought lots of jewelry essentials for my stash. These are some eye pins in silver and golden color. Then some studs in golden color, which is having hole in the bottom, so you can directly hang any jhumka or bead with the stud. Then the backing of the stud in golden color, and some chains in golden and silver color to make bracelets, necklaces, hangings, etc. Then this is the perfect glaze by Craft Gully. This is the best varnish I have ever used for my projects. I just love the shine and the sturdiness of this varnish. I already have one, but it is very less now, so I have ordered the new one. This is the best one. And next thing is this hairband base. In one pack you will get 2 hairband bases in silver color, so you can do the beautiful hair accessories using this hairband bases like jewelry or using the satin ribbons, etc. Then the best part is my favorite one, quilling strips. Craft Gully recently launched 1 mm strips as well, so I have ordered lots of shades in 1 mm. You can create very minute and intricate projects using these 1 mm strips, and they have huge variety of colors in their store. I almost order all the colors in 1 mm they have, and you can create nice and intricate flowers using these thin strips. They are super in quality and the quantity as well. Then the next size is 2 mm. So in 2 mm also I have ordered lots of shades which I didn't have, in pinks, blues, then green, golden, peach color, shades of yellows, orange, red and maroon, and also black and white. So almost I have ordered all the basic shades. Beautiful colors, isn't it? Just like the rainbow one. So these are 2 mm strips. Then in 3 mm I already have lots of strips, and also I have ordered some from Quilling Hub Store. So from the Craft Gully I have ordered only 4 to 5 shades like light brown, peach, hot pink and red color. In one pack you get 100 strips. Then the next one is 5 mm strips in purple, pink, blue, dark green, light green, yellow, golden yellow and peach to make the 3D projects. So this is all about the quilling strips. And last but not the least, I got this beautiful gift by Craft Gully as a token of love. So this is the washi tape which has the candle printed design on this, so you can use this for your projects, and this is super cute. Thank you. Now the next thing I got from the local stores are these tassels. These are silk thread tassels in different colors. Since the festive season is round the corner, so I'm going to prepare some hangings and some cards using these tassels, also the envelopes. So I bought in different primary colors. Then I also ordered some pearl chains and some stone chains from the local store to decorate envelopes, cards, to create the jewelry, etc. Then I also ordered these satin ribbons in 6 mm, having some basic shades like red, yellow, green, blue, pink and white. The next thing I got are these Gota patti laces in golden color, dark golden, light golden both, then shiny golden and also the silver. So all shades of golden and silver. Then few stuff I ordered from Crafter's Corner. So this is the chipboard having 600 GSM thickness, and this is the pack of 10 sheets in 12 by 12 inches. So to create the card bases and box bases I used chipboards or mount boards, and this is the metallic flourish paper in A4 size by Crafter's Corner, having beautiful pattern on this. Then also I have ordered this special thin paper in ivory color. This is the pack of 10 sheet in A4 size. So this is all about cardstocks. Then I also got this bunch of sponge dauber set which has 4 different sizes to make nice colored bases on your project. Then also ordered these keychain bases in silver and golden color. This is just 40 rupees per pack. Then some golden and white color pearls to create hangings and jewelry. Then I ordered some more glass mirrors by Crafter's Corner. They recently launched the beautiful collection. This is the assorted pack of glass mirrors, and also I got some small packs in different sizes. These are very small to decorate cards and rakis and etc. in diamond shape, teardrop shape, leaf shape, triangle, circle, square. They have all the basic shapes. So I'm sure coming with mandala art and lipan art. using these mirrors. Then this is the strong magnet, which is having 2 mm thickness to make your fridge magnets and the boxes and cards. Then I also bought the bunch of pearl drop or water droplets. These droplets look very natural on your project. Then this is the flower pearl pack to add the center on your flowers, to make pollens or to make shakers. Also I ordered the glitter. This is the chunky glitter powder to enhance your project. The next thing are these pearl chains and stone chains from the crafter corner in small size. I got 5 packs for both the designs, and as always they sent me this token of love as a gift with 2 chocolates and the piece of transfer me sheet. Then I ordered lots of strips from Quilling Hub by Moksha. She has beautiful collection of quilling strips in all the sizes. So first I am showing you 2 mm strips which I have ordered in white, peach and dark brown color, because I already ordered some from Craft Gully. Then this is a huge bunch of 3 mm strips. Can you see all the shades? I just love the colors, the quality, the quantity, everything is very nice. So in quilling strips, my 2 favorite stores are Craft Gully and Quilling Hub. You will get best quality in both the stores, and few of them are very new colors to me. I also bought in golden color. So lots of ideas are coming on your way through my channel. So just keep an eye on my channel to get latest updates and beautiful projects. Then I also ordered some strips in 5 mm from the Quilling Hub. Some basic shades again to create 3D projects and bigger size projects. So these are all in 5 mm. So this is all about my latest craft haul and latest shopping. I hope you have enjoyed it, and sure I'm coming with lots of ideas in coming months on all the festive occasions. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.